Hello my people, how una dey? Also una dey fine, una do well as una take dey help me take dey share, as una dey like the video, comment. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. I really appreciate una do well. My people, this video make me laugh. I just say may I still bring am, una still lis ten to this our sister Festina. I know say na our Edo actress. So they make am vex. They make the girl vex. So e be like say people dey una know say e get one party where they go. I think na last week. So when she come dey live video now, so people come dey tell am, dey insult am, say the way you take dress e no good. Why you dey dress all the time naked? You dey have that is dey dress half naked, you no dey cover your body. Na one for our people, some of our people, dem must talk, dem must say something. She vex say she no dey live una life o, na her own life na she dey live o. More na leave am for waist o, more na put am for ground, more na leave am. So she vex well, so she dey reply those people say she no be that kind girl wey una dey think say maybe she dey dress like this, maybe she go just dey she go dey easy to carry go una know na bed. Say she no be that kind person. E no mean say she dey dress like that so she go be easy person. So he say some people dey wey dey dress go cover the cloth wey go wear go just use am take cover im head. He say those one dem be champion, before you talk, before you just say hello, e don reach inside bed. He say she no be that kind person. So the thing vex am. So me the thing, this one na my opinion, she never marry. Anyhow wey like me dress, na im body put am. No say people must talk. If she too dress, now there's when na so dress e dey dress. If you too wear shoe, there's when na so shoe e dey wear. No say una go talk back, na so e be for this life. So sometimes you just look something, you say abeg, I no wan mind you. Person go do wetin please am. No be wetin you like na im go dey do. Na wetin you like na im go do for im body. If you like, you open am. So even though say some women dey like this, e don marry, your husband go dey still dey tell am say still dey dress as you take dey dress before wey I take know you. Because no say some people when dem don marry, dem no dey dress again as dem take dey dress before. No say no people, some people dey wey just like that dressing, just leave am. Na that one na happiness na be that one. Why some people like to dey travel to go this one, to go this side, na wetin e like na be that one. So this one, this our sister Festina, na wetin she like na be this one. She dress at the way she like. Say some people dey na go na so short knicker na dey wear. No fit wear long trouser. Na wetin e like na go put for im body. Say some people if they see their mouth must talk, na be our people. So as I just see the video, the thing just make me laugh. Now I say anything wey you like, my sister, put for your body. And so people must talk. Na be that one. So far you no just go say you no wear anything go there, e still put something for body. And she get for front, she get for back. Even a zomoko na she be. May I put the video more and watch am.
For those of you that was insulting me earlier on, saying that my dressing isn't good. Excuse me, hello. What did you call it? A party. It was a birthday party. I can afford to dress any way I deem fit. It's my body. First is my body. Secondly, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Okay? I don't give a damn to your opinion exactly. I don't care. Because at the end of the day, your opinion don't feed me. I still come for that party, drive, come house, enter kitchen, still cook. So your opinion not really matter for my life. See, my name is Festina Peters. Is Zevizua. I know they live fake life. Like the one they see me for live, the one they see me for TV. That's why I be. If you I'm not going to talk with you. I don't be sensitive. So that's why if you know me right from time, right from childhood, you know such a dress. I don't really care. See. Okay, dressing half naked Is it how you detect if someone is really spoiled, or I don't know how to put that English right? Like, let's really talk about this. Like, because I always dress half naked, is that the reason why you think I'm a sport girl? No, darling, I'm not. I'm not a sport girl. I'm not trying to defend myself. Right. Okay, I don't want to use industry. I'm one of the best. I'm one of the best girl that you can ever wish your brother married. Forget it. I'm not emphasizing. I'm just telling you. Forget. So see all those ones, they tie total neck, they be share, they dress, they cover here, my dear. If you know what they do, you will say you go, hey. I don't be that kind of people. See, I too correct. And they use now the nut chest. I said, don't date this industry. 7 years they go, so I beg, who are the men who say, Festina, oh, don't they dress naked though? I don't sleep with her. But if you know, say don't sleep with me, come out. And they talk am. Don't be saying that. I don't they wash. Anywhere, interview, where they go, anywhere. If you know, say you don't bold, you should be a boy, you be man. Say me, Festina, I said, don't naked reach online. Say you don't sleep with me, bros, come out. May you tell me where and when, which hotel and where. Listen, I be hustler. I fight for myself. I hustle for myself. I know they dress to impress man. I know they open body to impress man online. That is just me. Listen, if you want to know Festina Peters, go to my family's house. Meet my mother, Mama Vicky. She go tell you, say, her pikin, she dress anyhow. She know the thief. She know the lie. She know the, in fact, she know the, how would I say, after woman hair, she know they flex. Because my mom know me reach house. See, any man why they date, the first person why they introduce down to the mama, mom see the man why they date too. If you approve and good, my family no approve and cha we go our separate way. Do you understand? So I don't they do anything online to impress anybody. If I dress the way I like, it's my life. It doesn't concern you. Do you understand? It's what makes me happy. At the end of the day, my happiness comes first, not your opinion. So keep it and shove it down your house. Do you understand? Keep it and shove it down your house. At the end of the day, I'm better. Way better than most of you there. You see, I used to stay in Europe. I know Europe life. If you, okay, most of you, they follow, what's her name? Ada Pink or something. That girl that have luscious breasts on Instagram. Most of them, they comment on her picture. Most of them, they love them. But when you see like Festina or any celebrity in Benin, you gonna have like the tear mats. Now with the tear mats. At the end of the day, it's what pleases me. It's what satisfies my soul. That doesn't mean I'm a spoiled person. I'm a reserved, calm, loving, easygoing person. I love who I am. So listen, your opinion, your opinion, sweetheart, will not change my personality. I hardly talk because I've taken a lot of your bullshit on Facebook. But girl, you guys know now, Festina, I don't they take nonsense. If una talk to me the way I don't like, I go latch back to una. Forget the first time I be celebrity. Celebrity don't bath. Celebrity don't bath. I be human being like you. So if you they dress the way you like and you are comfortable with it, and nobody will accuse you, so what give you the right to accuse me or to talk to me the way you like? What give you that right? What give you that right to talk to me the way you please? Excuse me, it's my life. At the end of the day, I'm the one paying my goddamn bills, not you. You see this house? You see this house? It's a beautiful house in GRA. It's on me, baby. My lights be, it's on me, baby. My fuel, it's on me, baby. My clothes, it's on me, baby. My food, it's on fucking me. I don't ask you for all those things. So back off, haters. Back off. Many of you now, they'll clap, no, they wait till the day when my enemy will go down. Sweetheart, newsflash, I'm not going down. I will never go down. No, I said day. The way I said day is different for the way every other person said day. If all other celebrities they take on a trash, on a stupid comments for Facebook, Festina, I don't take it. If you latch at me, In fact, I'm going to do a serious video on this topic today. It's a happy day for me. I'm in a happy mood because my girl just celebrated on that birthday today. You get? You get? So, you people will not change my opinion. The way I was dressed wasn't bad. If I open my... Listen, they don't call it breast. Dumb ass. Dumb ass. They don't call it a breast. Nipple, that be breast. These are cleavages. Let me educate your stupid brain. I only expose a bit of my cleavages. It's not your business. If you don't have anyone to show, oh, it's not my business. I have it and I flaunt it. Do you understand me? It's what I have. And I flaunt it. If you cannot deal with it, go swallow pin or go swallow it, go kill you. Go up transformer. At the end of the day, my darling, I don't invite you come my life. I don't invite you come my live video. Me invite you. Why be safe and I'll just say something when I'm not like, I don't feel your pass. Must you drop stupid comments? Must you say, oh, I don't like the way she's dressed. Oh, she look. Oh, darling, without hair make, I'm a beautiful, beautiful, sexy girl. I don't need to put on makeup. I don't need to come tie my cloth, come reach my neck. More call me. If I say wear that kind of cloth, and we go see reach neck. Now I'll sit and say, hey, when did she wear? Oh, she want to kill herself. See, you see now, Facebook. Nah, you cannot make me go frustrated. I cannot go frustrated because of you people. Because you will always talk. You will always talk. You do good on Facebook, they will talk. Some of them will go open fake accounts. Will you all that have fake accounts? I know you guys. I know you. But my dear, I will not block. Hey, sweetheart, love. LOVE. I won't block them. Do you know why? I want them to be here to see my progress every day. If I keep blocking every dang people, they will not send to talk about. I need people to talk about me more. Like, you know, I'm sexy, I'm beautiful. I need them to talk about me more. Because if I keep blocking everybody, no, sweetheart, Henry, I'm not married. But soon I will be by His grace. But I have kids. I have a lot of children I take care of. I food the bills. Do you understand? Okay, back to what I was saying. Flashback to what I was saying. I don't need to block anybody. If I block their fucking ass, they're not going to see me they talk about again. So let them remain there. Let them remain there and keep watching me. I keep talking trash. Me, I don't send anybody. Nobody they could come and feed me. Nobody they could come and pay my bills. You don't know how I live my life. So you cannot come and dictate for me how to live it. You cannot come here and drop trash and say, oh, the way she is it your fucking business? Now your breasts are open. Now your cleavage are open. Now your mama, now your papa, now your sister are open. If now my own and my body, not concern you. So, when they swallow Panadol, on top my own matter, on top my own headache. Anyways, you see, all this